Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa
Yan
akin?
po si
At
Pelo
siya
ng
ba'y dapat ko
OFWP.
nang limutin? Nais kong malaman bakit
Ang dami
ngayon
pong
ka
babae niyan.
lang dumating. Thank you, May. Thank you po sa rose. At sa, ano ba yan? 4 fingers na flower. Hmm. Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kaniya. At hindi kaniya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso.
Tumawa si
Ikaw ba ay
Ayan na ang
nararapat
love.
sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman
Claps.
bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Okay. Okay, next song. Parang concert na to ah. Teka lang ha. Maghahanap po tayo ng isa pang magandang kanta para hanap po tayo. Saglit lang po. At hinahanap ko pa yung kanta sa aking cellphone. Ano bang maganda rito? Depeche Mode. Ganun talaga, Mi. Kasi hindi ka naman pwede maglakad ng mabilis. Mm. Kasi kapag naglakad ka ng mabilis, baka mamaya hindi mo naman siya maabutan. Ibig sabihin ko ba, hindi mo siya more pa, Mi, more. Sige, sige. Ay, kailangan hanap lang ako ng kanta para sa'yo. Aha. Don't wanna lose to you here. Hanap ako ng magandang kanta. Ha? Saglit. Ba't kaya wala? Eto, try ko nga to. Kaya lang hindi ko lang masyadong kabisado eh. Hindi ko lang masyadong kabisado to eh. Try ko lang ha. Highway 1 into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round, you're on my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight. Standing on my love along the wire. They say that the road is to the family. Mahirap pala to. Right down the line to you and me. Eka, wag to. Para ako nagwawala nito eh. Wag to, pangit eh. Wag yan. Ito kaya, maganda kaya to. It's, kanta ng Boyzone. Ayan. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go to find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now. Hindi lyrics yun. Walang lyrics yan Wala akong lyrics. Then you found something going on. Ingat, Tolup. Take your time, think a lot. Think of everything you got me. You will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may now. Tang na. Bibitang, how can I try to explain when I threw the words away again? It's always the same old story. From the moment I could talk, but you listen now, that's the way, and I know, but I'm had to go away. I know I had to go. Ate Set, Ruby, Ate Set. It's not time to make a change. Oo nga, Monica. Tuwing ka magpano, That's your fault. There's so much you have to know to find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy.
Okay. Tama na muna ba?
Okay, next song.
Next song na to.